roaches and how they can make you sick.
How dare you, insect? How dare you interrupt? This is the bathroom.
Look, everybody knows that roaches and bad sanitation go together. Don't be offended. There's a medical reason why it's so important. Roaches are nasty. They eat each other, which is necrophagic. They're also coprophagic, which means they eat each other's fecal matter. They're filthy little creatures. They leave a mess everywhere. They go to the bathroom all over the place. They leave their egg casings all over the place. They walk over trash and dirt and nastiness and grime and then walk on your food to feed on it and deposit that stuff. They also deposit that stuff all over the surfaces. Roaches walk in filth, in garbage, in rotting stuff, in everything that is gross. They walk in it, then they walk on your food, they walk on your countertops, they walk on all the surfaces. They transfer all that nastiness and disease all throughout your house. So I tell you what happened. I got scratched by a counter at a roach job that the sanitation was pretty poor. A couple days later, I got really sick. And then I developed an extreme pain in my leg. I couldn't walk. So I went to the doctor and they said, well, looks like you got cellulitis. It was pretty nasty and it hurt. Listen, I've shattered my knee. I've got a plate, 2 pins and a screw in my knee, have for many years. This hurts worse than that. Not cool. I couldn't even walk for about a week. So they gave me some meds. And for the most part, it cleared up. But then it came back in my other leg. So back on meds again and another week of basically not being able to walk. And the pain is so weird. It's not, I mean, my daughter's hair just barely touched it. And I thought I was going to scream. And I'm not a pain wuss. You know, I'm not a big, I don't claim to be able to tolerate a ridiculous amount of pain or anything like that, but I'm not a wuss. It's painful. All of that because of roaches and poor sanitation. Now, I was working in that environment. Somebody is living in that environment, and they had kids and pets. So I'm surprised they haven't gotten anything like that yet. So it's very, very important to make sure that the sanitation in your home, especially if you have roaches or rats or mice, to get that taken care of. Even if you have to pay someone to get it taken care of, that's going to benefit you more in the beginning than paying me. You have to have good sanitation. Not only are you going to get rid of the bugs quicker, okay, that they're not going to be able to breed as fast and your house will be clean, but it'll be safer, okay? So I can't stress it enough. Don't be embarrassed. Let's talk. People get kind of touchy about their house being nasty or whatever, or they'll tell you, oh, well, this is as good as I can do. Oh, okay, fine, I get it. Do the best that you can, because the further along that road you are, the faster those roaches are going to go away, and the better off you're going to be medically, health-wise, all those kind of things. So, clean your house, please. What bugs me? Roaches and bad sanitation. But I love to kill them.
Just activating the chamber.
You're killing me, Smalls.
How's everybody doing tonight?
Yes, for certain. There is no stopping them. The end will soon be here. And I, for one, welcome all you insect overlords. trusted TV personality and can be helpful in rounding up others to toil in their underground sugar cave.
So, I stand upon my desk to remind myself that we must constantly look at things in a different way.
You know what bugs me? The AC unit turning on right when I get to shoot a video.